Hello everyone, welcome back, and today I have another special guest. Say hi.
Hi.
It's my mom again.
Me.
Alright. So, we're back with Guessing Warrior Cats.
Yay.
So, I only have 6 this time, but I drew them all really good. I didn't want to risk drawing another. So, I'm gonna write the names down here. Yeah, okay. So, guess this one.
He looks sad
He is sad.
and skinny.
Oh. I don't really draw him like that on purpose.
Who would be sad? He looks like chocolate milk. Sad boy.
Sad boy?
Sad boy.
Sad boy?
He just looks sad.
Sad boy. Okay, that one's sad boy. Okay. What about this one?
Ooh.
That one's one of my hardest ones to do. I've never done that position before.
It looks really good.
I know.
Is that the tiger star or the blue star?
It's not a star.
Blue eyes.
Blue eyes?
Yes. It's good old blue eyes.
Okay.
Like Frank Sinatra. With blue eyes. Old people humor.
Okay.
Oh.
I know, that was my best one that I've pretty much ever drawn. I may or may not have told you about this one. But there should be a hint, though.
It makes me think of like a Pikachu.
Okay.
Zappy paw.
Zappy Paw?
Yes. Because he looks electric.
I mean, that's kind of a warrior name.
Yeah.
Except I don't think it would be Zappy. I think it would just be Zap, but... This is one that you're probably not familiar with. I haven't talked about it very much. And no, it's not Blue Star.
Blue Star is like the gray cat that I know with blue eyes.
It's not Blue Star. If you need a hint, I can tell you, because I have a hint.
Hint.
It is related to Blue Star. So that's why she looks like Blue Star.
Gray star.
Gray Star?
Or gray paw. Maybe if she's still like a baby.
Oh no, she's way past Bebe now.
Oh.
Okay, what you going with? Paw or Star?
Star.
So, Gray Star?
Sure.
Okay. Alright, now this one. And there's another hint, but I don't think I've talked about her too much.
She looks like a smarty pants. Like, well, actually. And fuzzy ears? Or is she thinking?
I mean, they're not really fuzzy.
She's like a little know-it-all, like a Poindexter.
No. Readers would understand. Especially with the hint I pointed out with the ears.
Oh, is she like super good at hearing? Is that what that is?
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Cool, I get it now.
Yeah, I've told you about her before.
Yeah, but I don't remember her name.
Oh no!
Oh
no! Just guess.
Poindexter.
What?
No, she's got super ears, so what could she be?
Her name doesn't have anything with her hearing.
I don't know. I'm gonna say like Silverstream.
Silver. Okay. Okay. And there.
Oh.
Just tell you now, the now named Silverstream and this non-named one are sisters.
She's got a ripped ear from a fight.
Yes,
Aw.
many.
Oh. Is she a good fighter?
I mean, yeah, she is now.
Oh.
There's a reason why.
Why?
I can't tell you that because I might give it away.
So they're sisters.
I'll tell you this, they're both from the 4th series.
Well, since that one was Silverstream, we're gonna go with Bubbly Stream.
Bubbly Stream.
Because she looks kind of like meh, but I bet she's bubbly inside. She's too cool to... Bubbly Stream.
Bubbly Stream.
I can't wait to see how long.
Okay. Okay. So this one right here, the sad one, you named him Sad Boy. This one is Elder Paw. Okay, this one you named...
What did I name it?
I don't know, let's go back. Blue Eyes.
Blue Eyes.
Blue
yeah.
Eyes, good old Blue Eyes, okay. This one is Ashfur. That's Ashfur. This
Zappy
one
boy.
you named Zappy Paw.
Zappy Paw.
Zappy Paw.
Pika Pika.
This one is Spark Pelt.
Oh, I was pretty close.
Zappy Paw. Okay, this one...
These one. There we go. Silverstream.
No, this one was Silverstream. This
Oh.
one over here was Silverstream.
Oh, yeah.
Gray Star.
Yeah.
This one is... Misty Star.
I like it. Also, kind of. At least I got the star bit right.
Yeah, my friend recommended it to me. Like, I asked her, and she's like, Misty Star.
I like it.
Okay, this one you named
Was Silverstream.
Silverstream, which is kind of concerning because one of the cats was named Silverstream.
Oh.
This one is Dovewing.
Oh. Oh, yeah, with the hearing. Gotcha.
Yeah. You probably wouldn't have gotten that, but I still put it anyways. I was hoping you'd maybe, like, remember magically. This one, Bubbly. Bubbly Stream.
Because she's too cool to show her bubbliness.
This one's Ivy.
Oh, I like that name. That's pretty. Wee.
Yeah.
The art was super good.
I know. So, you got none correct. This one was still alarmingly close. It was alarmingly close. For someone who hasn't still finished the first book.
I know.
I'm about to take it back. You're like, if you're not gonna finish it.
I'm gonna finish it.
Are you?
Yes. Because I want to finish it.
Then why aren't you? You're too busy playing your little tablet game.
I guess so.
Well, yay, good job. My
Hooray.
favorite one was this one because it looks so good.
Yeah, I love it. My favorite one, though, was probably Dovewing. Because look, I love it. Wee.
Yay.
Well, that was super fun.
Would you want to do it again?
Yes.
Okay, we will make a part 3.
Part 3.
Hooray! Okay, I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.